I'm Dennis Lee, Associate Portfolio Manager at Morningstar Investment Management. Welcome to the Morningstar Market Minute, a video series every Friday where we take a quick look at what's been happening in the financial market, the economy, and other key topics. We'll kick off by discussing the key market events, the outlook from Morningstar, and how we position our portfolios. This week, global equities show mixed results. S&P 500 and Japan Topix touched all-time high earlier in the week, while here in Australia, our share market pulled back slightly. The Federal Reserve delivered the widely expected 25 basis point rate cut, and markets are now expecting more easing of monetary policy ahead. In the technology sector, AI has once again taken the spotlight after NVIDIA announced a $5 billion investment in Intel and a $100 billion commitment to OpenAI. While AI could be a long-term growth engine, we think much of the optimism is already priced in, and the valuation for many AI names are not especially attractive. Turning to emerging market, equity there have gone up by more than 20% this year, led by the strong growth in Chinese equity, such as tech giants like Tencent and Alibaba. Their share price have surged for a few reasons. First, the growth of the AI accelerate cloud adoptions in China, where cloud market is basically close to US hyperscaler. There are reports that Alibaba and others are making their own in-house chips, which could reduce their reliance on NVIDIA H20. And third, a weaker US dollar and expectation of lower US interest rate are generally favorable for emerging market assets. And in China's case, it sparked hopes for more powerful stimulus package for the sluggish economy. In our portfolio, Alibaba and Tencent have been our high conviction holdings. After their strong share price performance and the re-rating of multiples as an AI cloud company, we think valuations are now less compelling than before. Having said that, we still see rooms for earnings to catch up once consumer sentiment improves over there. For investors, the key is to stay diversified and size exposure appropriately, taking reward and risk into account. That's it from me this week. Thanks for watching the Morningstar Market Minutes. See you next week.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.